Hi, I'm Michaela Laney, and I'm one of the financial planning associates here at Wiser Wealth Management. As you've probably seen on the news, AI is everywhere, and it is a huge conversation that is happening. And now people are starting to ask, will AI technology replace a financial advisor or financial planner in the future? And in your short answer, no. Think of it this way. So we have self-driving cars. That's a really large possibility. Manufacturers are trying to push that, as you see self-braking cars, those kinds of things, cars that can now parallel park themselves. But in all actuality, you don't see people actually using these features that often or even buying these features because it's the trust factor. They don't trust that it's actually safe. They don't trust the capabilities of the technology. This is the same way with AI technology. So if you were to go to a financial planner, you're wanting that human connection. You're wanting to build that trust from across the table, sitting across, a restaurant, wherever it may be in that office. You're wanting to build that repertoire of trust and communication with that person. And you can find someone to believe in that, not the technology. And so here's the thing. AI will be something that financial planners and financial advisors use. It's going to be a great assistance to all of us as we use it, whether it be with scheduling appointments or doing notes in the background or just making things in our back office go more smoother so your accounts are open faster and that kind of thing. But in all actuality, we're really not going to go fully to financial advising in an AI atmosphere. So rest assured that your financial advisors and financial planners will still be here in the future.